Hi, this is Natasha Copeland. Where my welcome to my channel, where beauty is contagious and makeup is a passion. What I'm showing here today is a little haul that I did, and it was like a few months. So this is what I accumulated so far. So let's start off with the ABH Nervina, which is the last one that came out, which is number 5, I do believe. And this is the colors. Now I've had this palette for like 3 months, or ever since it came out, I've been at it. I've just been not feeling well, so that's why I hadn't videotaped anything. So I'm feeling better today, so I'm videotaping. Isn't these colors just so pretty? Okay, so moving on to Natasha Denona, or should I say Natasha Denona? And this is what these colors look like. In fact, let me do one of them. Let's see here. That's how it looks. Isn't that pretty? Let's try this one here. Matte. I'm not usually a matte girl. I like my shimmers. I don't like glitter, but I like my shimmers. So that's what they both look like. Okay. So moving on. I've also picked up some razors. You know, for those face hairs that you need to shave on to make your makeup go on even more so. So that's what they look like. I think it's 4 in a pack. Okay. From Sephora. Now this makeup that I picked up, the ABH and the Natasha Denona and the razors, I got all from Sephora. So I also picked up this from Sephora, which is a re-up. This is my 3rd bottle in under 2 years. And I've already opened it and used it, so I'm just showing you an empty box. But this stuff smells so good. Now I tried the new one that they have out. It didn't smell great to me. But my mom loved it. I gave it to her as a Mother's Day gift, which I got it for her to begin with, because she hadn't told me that she needed another bottle of this or anything. So I just went on assumption that she must have did. So I bought her one for Mother's Day, and she loved it. I'm like, is there something wrong with my nose? The reason why I can't smell it? So I love it in this scent, but I've also, when I first got introduced to this, it was with the coconut one. It's the coconut? I think it's the coconut one, the one that comes in the green bottle. And I loved it. I just loved it so much. And then this one had a special on it, I do believe. And so I went ahead to try it, and I fell in love with this one. Now I have these in smaller bottles, probably about that big, the travel size ones. And I gave my mom some as well. So I keep one, the coconut one, in my purse. So whenever I need to get on that ashy hands, I do it. So I got this from eBay, which is the Juicy Couture's Couture. And I got a 1 ounce bottle because I plan on traveling. So I'm trying to get all my travel stuff together. And this is only 1 ounce, which is they will allow on the airline. And this smells so good. I have 2 more bottles of this, but they were not in the 1 ounce for me. The 1 ounce that I did have, I ran out. So that's why I picked this one up. So when I travel, I'll have it with me. And it smells so delicious. Really delicious. It smells so good. So while I was around shopping for cologne and stuff, I don't know how many people can see it because I don't really see it actually selling. It's always in stock. But this is the Christian Louboutin. I'm messing up his name. But these were the ones that came with it. So let me see if I can get it. Let me raise them up one by one. So this is one that I'm keeping for myself. And this is the pineapple one. This one I'm also keeping. And I told my mom I would give it to her. But she's getting 2 cats. I wanted one of the cats. So I'm keeping this one because I like it. All the perfumes smell great. I've tried them all out. Well, I sniffed them all out. And they smell great. Just that I wanted one of the cats, and she wanted both of the cats, but I wanted to give her something different and then give her the other cat. And she didn't want this one because it had the skull on it, which I'm keeping for myself. So basically, it comes with seven small things. And as you can see, that is the size of them. This is not a mistake. And each one runs $42 and some change each. So, okay, here was the other cat my mom wanted. That's not really showing up that well. So, this one she's going to get. And this one here is the one I'm keeping also. They all smell great. Like, just them setting up in a box like the way they are, I can smell it without even having to put them to my nose. It's just so pungent. But should I say it smells good? Alright, so this is the alligator one, and this is the one she's getting. Now, I already have this one in the bigger size, which I paid $300 for that as well. So, I got all of these, all 7 of them, for $300. So, I think it's like a nice bargain, because I get to try out the other scents that I want to try out before I buy even bigger bottle like I did last time. So, I look forward to trying them out. Well, that's all for today, folks. So, you have a God-filled day. And depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless.